Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to find the IMEI number of your Hemisphere S631 receiver. So to do that, what I've done is I've logged into my Hemisphere S631 web UI, and you can see here that my system mode set is Rover and my current data link as UHF. So if I head to my information tab right now, and head to the bottom of my information tab here, you can see that I have all my information on my radio model. So to get my information on my cell modem, what I need to do is I need to hit settings there in the top right corner. And then in my working mode tab here, if I head right to the top here, you can see that my current data link is set to UHF. I want that set to network. And if I scroll down here, you can tell that it's set to network, as instead of radio settings, I now have some APN information and my caster information as well. So now that I've got my network selected, I'm going to hit save here. And if I head to my status tab while this is saving, you can now see that my system mode is still set as Rover, but my current data link is now set to network. And if I head over to my information tab and scroll to the bottom here, you can see that I now have a 3G GPRS model and an IMEI information. So if your provider's asking for that IMEI number for your receiver, there it is. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you find the IMEI number of your Hemisphere S631. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at bench-mark.ca.